Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to do the mixed loop stitch. Now to do this pattern, you can use any yarn of your choosing, and I'll be using a 3.5mm crochet hook. Now I'm going to start by making a slip knot, and you can do this in whichever way is most comfortable for you. And for our foundation chains, you should do any odd number of stitches. For the purpose of this tutorial, I will be doing 11 chain stitches. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Now for the mixed loop stitch, we'll be using half double crochets, and we're going to be doing our first half double crochet in the third loop from the hook. So 1, 2, 3. To do a half double crochet, yarn over your hook, insert it into the third chain and pull up a loop, yarn over and pull it through all the loops on the hook. So that's one half double crochet, and we're going to be doing a half double crochet in each stitch going across the row. Now once you've completed the row, chain 2 and then turn your work. Now these 2 chains won't count as a stitch, they'll only serve to give height to the stitches to come. Now we're going to work a half double crochet, not to the top of the stitch, but in this bottom back loop here. And in the next stitch, we're going to work the half double crochet to the back of the stitch here. And then we're going to repeat the first stitch where we did it to the bottom front loop, so right here. And in the next to the back of the stitch. So we're pretty much going to alternate between the two until we're at the end of the row. Now in the last stitch, we're going to be doing our half double crochet from the front bottom loop here, and that should always be where we do our stitches at the beginning and the end of the row, from the front bottom loop of the stitch. And then we're going to chain 2, 1, 2, turn our work and repeat. So to the front bottom of the stitch, we're going to do our half double crochet. And then in the next stitch, we're going to do it to the back of the stitch. And we're just going to alternate that process until we're at the end. And in the last stitch, again, to the front bottom loop of the stitch is where we're going to work our half double crochet. Chain 2 and then repeat. And you can already see the mixed loop stitch coming together here. Now in the end, your pattern should look something like this. Now, if you like this video, go ahead and hit the like button and subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so as yet. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!